Hi, welcome to HTB Kids. I'm Sam.
And I'm Dan.
And we're going to make paper boats today that we've made earlier. Here they are.
That was mine.
And that was mine. And so watch this tutorial step by step. First, take your piece of paper and fold it in half, lengthways like this. And crease along the edge so you get a nice straight. And open it up again like this.
Once you've done that, fold it over, like so.
Now using the top corners, end that you've just folded over, so this end is still connected, fold into the middle like this, okay? So it begins to look like a house on either side. And don't forget to crease out the corners as well. And fold this side in as well. You should have two flaps at the bottom.
Once you have done that, you will need to get the two flaps at the bottom, pick up one and fold it to the top. Do that on both sides.
Once you've done that, there's a tricky bit coming up. You have to take these flaps and fold them either side of your triangle like this. Take one and tuck it in over the other side. And then with the other one, fold it over like that. You want to do that on both sides. Like that. Next, use your fingers to open up the bottom, pulling it out so you get a square that looks something like that. And flatten it out on the table. Then you want to use these bottom bits like this, as I'm showing you, and pull them up to the top. You're trying to make a triangle again. Don't forget to crease them out.
Now, do this on both sides.
Now we're going to use our fingers and do the same that we did previously. Pull open your triangle and squash it flat again to make a square. Okay, this is the fun bit. We're nearly there. This is the last stage. You should find on one of the ends that there's a bit that when you start to pull it apart looks a little bit like that. On the other end it won't be able to do it because it's all folded over. But on that end, pull apart these bits like this, and you're left with your boat. Now we've got some water here, and we're going to see whose boat lasts longest in this water, okay? So it's going to be yours. You've done a really good job. Okay, let's give it a go, okay? Let's see what I bet you can't last more than a minute. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Now's the fun in the water. See if you can make one that will last for longer than a minute. You can use card for this exercise, and you can also colour in your boats. So, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you again soon.